Good morning, Anarchy. This is a review of the new Confessions of an Economic Hitman by John Perkins. Alright, we are, on chapter 14, entering a new sinister period in economic history. We are currently discussing Iran. Everywhere. We've seen it everywhere. Yeah, so why is America so anti-Iran? John talks about the Mossadegh struggle. This was a CIA-backed and funded movement to put the Shah into office. Now, in the late 1970s, the Shah had become such a gritty, narcissistic lunatic that the people of Iran finally said, "Hell no, you must go." I'm sure they probably meant for him to be put to a guillotine, but that did not happen in Iran. It ended up being that he came here, he and his family did, and lived for, quite some time. Now, ever since the OPEC nations and CIA have been trying to get control of Iran's government. Again, sore losers, it ain't gonna happen. Here's something I didn't know about until I read this book. World War II gave way to the World Bank, International Monetary Fund, and General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. The 1960s was a shift from neoclassical economics to Keynesian economics. That was thanks to Robert McNamara. He was president of Ford till he became Secretary of Defense under President Kennedy. Google him. He didn't have a background in military at all. He didn't have to. In the last two paragraphs, John lays out the disgusting spider web these depraved people run in. For example, Richard Dick Cheney served as Secretary of Defense under George H.W. Bush, then became Vice President under Bush's son, George W. Bush. He also was part of Enron's launching pad before serving as President. Bush was President Ford's CIA director. Now, I think you pretty well get the idea of what a disgusting little web these people are in. And you can pretty well get the idea that pretty much all of the world leaders are in this circle. One way or another, they enter it. Alright, I will see you guys in the new year. We will start posting from chapter 17 on. Have a good holiday.